evening to everyone. Myself Kalpna. I am from G.k.jain Higher Secondary School, Royapuram. For more educational videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up symbol. Today for the 11th standard, I am going to explain the topic is basic concept of chemistry. The three most important thing in our life is food, shelter and cloth. In these three things, we have get it by the using of chemistry. In a food, in agriculture industries, chemicals which is used as a fertilizers. In a shelter, it is chemistry which is used to making a cement and all. And the cloths, the chemistry which is used to make it as a artificial fibers. Okay. And next one, atom. Atom is an indivisible particle. In biology, cell is the structural and functional unit of all the organism. Likewise, atom play a vital role. All the chemical organism, all the chemical elements which is made up of atoms only. And next one, in our body also, the chemicals, the biochemicals which is used for the digestions and all, the chemicals will be used for that. Next one, matter. Anything that occupies the space, even it is having some other mass, even it is a tiny object or the larger object, we call it as a matter. So all our surroundings which is made up of a matter. Now we have to see the classification of matter. The matter can be classified into two types. One is a physical and the other one is a chemical. In physicals, in the physical we have a solid, liquid and the gas. If we have changing the temperature, the three things have been modified one another. There is an interconnected between them. When you take in a solid sample, example ice cubes, it is a solid. So based on that combination of how it has been classified solid, liquid, gas, because it is based on the combination of presence of atom on it. If the atoms are arranged compactly, very packedly, tightly, that is called as a solid. If it is loosely arranged, then is called as a liquid. And if it is whenever there is a lot of space in between the atoms, that is called as a gas. And it has been interrelated with that. Okay, if you taking as a solid, ice cube as a solid, if you are increasing the temperature, automatically the solid converted into a liquid. At the same time, the liquid, if you are increasing the temperature, it is converted into a gas. So there is an interconnected between them. And next one, we are move on to the chemical classification. In a chemical way, it is again classified into pure substance as well as the mixture. And pures, it is the combination of elements as well as the compounds. Elements is nothing else. In a chemistry periodic classification, we have 118 elements are there. So element is the simplest, purest substance. Example, when you taking as a hydrogen, so there is only hydrogen atoms will be present in it. Okay, but when you taken as a compound, example is water molecules. In a compound, the formula for water molecules is H2O. That means the combination of hydrogen as well as the oxygen. So that is the difference between the elements and compounds. Elements is the simplest substance, cannot be break down. But compound is a combination of the elements, it can be break it up. Okay. And next one, mixture. So mixture is nothing else. It is a combination of more substance on it, but it is not chemically interacted. We can easily separate it off. That is called as a mixture. Again, the mixture can be classified into homogeneous solution as well as the heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous, homo means same, hetero means different, two different. Okay, homo means, example for the homogeneous is sugar solution. If you adding the sugar as well as the water, but it has been dissolved completely, whenever you have seen, it should be like a same solution, a single phase on it. That will be called it as a homogeneous. And heterogeneous means, if you taking the example, sand with the water. If you put the sand in a water, it cannot be dissolved on it. It has been settled over it. So if you can see those solution, we can see the two phases. One is a liquid as the other one is a sand. That will be called it as a heterogeneous. And next one, in atom we know the internal, already we know atom is an indivisible particle, but the microscopic particle, the atom will be contains proton, electron as well as the neutron. Proton and neutron will be present in the nucleus of the atom, and the electron which is revolve around the atom. It has been present in the orbit of the atom. Okay, And next one, now we are going to see about the atomic mass. What is mean by the atomic mass? The mass of the atom. How will you find the mass of the atom? The number of proton, the sum of number of proton as well as the neutron, because the electrons will be having the negative charge, it is revolved around the orbit, so we have taken the proton as well as the neutron. So how will you find the atomic mass? The sum of proton and the neutron. And next one, in the atomic mass also we have the two types. One is a relative atomic mass, other one is the average atomic mass. First we are going to see about the relative atomic mass. From the name you can be know that relative means something it has been related with, we have seen the relation between the two things, okay. So now we see the relative atomic mass. The formula for the relative atomic mass is average mass of the atom by the unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass means, here see, it is a formula, average mass of the atom to the unified atomic mass. So we have to find the relation between the average mass of the atom as well as the unified atomic mass. Unified atomic mass is a constant value. It is 1.6605 into 10 to the power of minus 27. Now I'll give you the example for finding the relative atomic mass. So you have to find the relative atomic mass for hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. So 1 means it is only one protons have been present in it. The value of one proton is 1.6736 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So now we have to show the relative between the one proton, that means a hydrogen value, with the unified atomic mass. So let's see. 1.676 into 10 to the power of minus 27. It is the one atomic average mass of the hydrogen, and it has been related with the unified atomic mass 1.6605 into 10 to the power of minus 7. You will be get it as a 0.0078 or something, and if you have round off the value 1.008 mu. Okay. In the periodic table below the hydrogen, the atomic mass value, it has been given as a 1.008 to something, it has been given in the point values also. How will we find the point value means by this way only. But some more cases we have been round off that value, that is why we have using only the 1 only. In most of the time we can using the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. In some cases only we are using in a definite way. And next one is the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass, we have to find the isotopes of the atoms. What is meant by the isotopes? Atom element having the same atomic number but different in the mass number. I'll give you the example, chlorine, whose atomic number is 17. But the mass number, it has been, one will be having a 35, the other will be having a 37. So this is called as a isotopes. The same element which will be having the same atomic number but differ in the mass number, that is called as a isotope. For those isotopes of elements we can find it the average atomic mass. I'll give you the example. The abundance of 35. The abundance of chlorine, which will be having the 35 mass number, is 77%. The ratio between them is 77. And the most abundant of chlorine atom, which will be having the mass number 37, is 23%. So 77 is to 23. So how will you find the average atomic mass? So whose mass is 35 into whose abundance is 77 by 100. We have taken 100 in a common way. So 35 is the atomic mass into 77 is it abundance, plus 37 is the isotopes, again the atomic mass number, into 23 whose its abundance, divided by 100. So it will be in the ratio. So you will be getting as a 35.46 mu. So today we are going to see about the just a basic concept of the chemistry, how the classifications are made, how the atomic mass and the relative mass we have been seen it. Thank you.